Yes, sir.
Tell me what's going on.
My truck has been running fine. Now all of a sudden, yesterday, I went to go to work this morning. That didn't happen because I didn't even get halfway to work. And the truck had spitting and sputtering. I limped it back home here, and now I tried to move it in the garage. It spits and sputters, but when you put it in drive, it shuts right down.
Let me ask you this. Have you checked for codes in the computer? Have you replaced anything for this so far?
No.
And your question...
Why all of a sudden do you have a running vehicle? And the thing's good on this truck. It's been running fine up until yesterday and this morning.
Right. So on this particular vehicle, the most likely cause would be a bad fuel pump or something with the ignition system. So for example, the crankshaft position sensor, I believe this one has a distributor on it. So it could be the distributor cap, the distributor rotor, plugs, wires, maybe even the pickup inside the distributor assembly. So those are the most likely causes. I think this even uses an ignition control module as well. So that's pretty common to go bad in addition to the fuel pump.
That's right next to the coil.
Mm-hmm. You got it. Yep.
Okay. I just recently replaced the fuzzers, the coil, that little sensor that's next to it. So
yeah. Okay.
The only thing I did not replace.
You might want to start there.
The blue don't want to run.
Not weird to me. I do this every single day. So this is what electronic components do when they go bad. They can fail intermittently, and they may not give you a warning. Sometimes they just cause the engine to stall, and it will not start back up. The fact that you can get it to run, that's good. That's good, somewhat good news. But this doesn't surprise me at all.
Another quick question for you: will that make the tach and the speedometer jump up around?
Yeah, it's related to the ignition system.
Yeah, because that's what you can drive. I don't go over 40 miles an hour because as soon as you get a gas, then the tach starts jumping, the speedometer starts jumping.
Right.
I'm gonna tackle that cab and hopefully it fixes it. I talked to my dad. He's an old steel mechanic. He's telling me, well, it could be. I couldn't figure it out. So I said, well, I'm gonna search it on the internet.
It could just be an issue with a crank sensor, maybe something with a pickup in the distributor. You can check for codes in the computer. If you got a crank sensor code in the computer, you might want to start there first.
Yeah, but I don't have a
scanner. Well, you can get one on Amazon for real cheap. You just have it delivered right to your door. They're only $15-20 for a basic one.
Right. If I could get it running, I'd take it. Somebody scan it and tell me, but I'm stuck here. I can't.
Right. That's why I recommended to order one.